morning, people. How are you? Here we go. Here we are by my house. And this morning I went to take the trash out, and there isn't a big fan over here. And well, I was curious. I was seeing a little hearse over here. Does it look like somebody living lonely like this, just like me sometimes? But it looked like nobody don't even take care of it. Well, let me tell you something. Even if I'm a little bit struggling right now, I went to check on my refrigerator and I find some carrots. Oh, because before I call him, just call him and come like close to me. That's really nice, and I feel bad for him. So now I'm trying to give some carrots. Let's see if he wanna eat. What do you think? Let's see. See if I can turn the camera first. Alright. Guess I don't know how, but here are the horse then. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Here it comes. Let's see. Let me open the pocket first. Alright. I hope they don't bite me, but here. Come on. Here. Come on. There you go. Oh, drop on the floor. Just afraid if it's gonna bite me. I don't know, but let's see. I'm trying again. Come on. Come on, Giddy. Lady, you dummy. There you go. Get out of here. Yeah. Oh, you're dropping again. You got the little butt. Come on. Good job. Yeah. Yeah. And nobody brushed the hearse. I can tell you that they just left him alone over here. That's sad. If I have any chance to get hers, I will take care of it. I will not leave like that. He pushed me again. Look, one more carrots. There you go. Over here. Come on. Come on. There you go. Good job. Yeah. I'm gonna find the name of this hearse. I will visit him more. Let me just take it away first. Let's see. Alright, let's try it again. Come on. There you go. Good boy. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. But yeah, nice horse. Good. I always love animal. Well, sometimes an animal are better than human. Because when you take care of animal, they don't ever leave you. The only thing. Because I know I got a pet. Sometimes you can give love to the people. How much is in this world, no matter what, one day they can even leave it to you. But I'm pretty sure if you have an animal, you take care of that animal, it'll never leave it to you. It'll always give you love, like this horse is giving to me right now. Right? Yeah. Here, another one. There you go. Good job. Peace out, people.